citizens who follows a fool's religion. The Scrooges in them, hit them with their scoop and filling the pools and filling holy water juice for sinning and super serum. Only you can shoot the venom. Why would you want the truth to live in the bruise? The feelings forbidden to move. Locked in the room and they winning. New beginnings, spell book, soothe the sentence. As we open up the portal to renew everything that you ever knew. My hot sauce super sentient. If freedom against the Lord, then I'm a super villain. All I see is communism disguised as opposition. The revolution is the only mission. So boy, you better listen. Magic. My ancestry gods, the people bound to wake up as inflation evolves. They still hailing them bombs, families torn apart. They will get what they want, and people don't get the point of it all. And knowing we're boss, social credit reports, there is no end to divorce. Only Christians the court, so if you picking the course, be sure to pick up a source. Picture the noise, picking this blinking the flickering boy, kicking the door, licking the floor, sticking with more, ticking alarms, ticking along, they picking the choice. What's hidden from your vision is a particular remorse. If you break the code, you can see through the wickedest force. This is the time, make up your mind, pick up the sign and pick up the wine and make it shine. Divine living the vines all the way down to the roots of the tree of life.
Yeah.